Introduction. In our daily life, we notice many changes around us. Some changes take place naturally and some changes are initiated by human beings. These include the changes in seasons. The changes in seasons. If the winter season changes into summer, wearing of woolen clothes in winter changes to wearing of cotton clothes in summer. Similarly, we observe that the winter season is cool and summer season is hot. In winter, we prefer hot tea or coffee or milk, but we take cool drinks in summer. Duration of day and night. In winter, duration of night is longer than in summer. We go from rains to winter and winter to summer and so on. Days are shorter in winter and longer in summer season. Changes in the direction of sunrise between winter and summer. With the help of magnetic compass, we can notice that the sun does not exactly rise in the east. Around 20th December, the direction of sunrise is a little south of east. Around 15th May, the direction of sunrise is very close to the east. This slight change in the direction of the sunrise is one of the reasons for changes in season. The direction of sunrise changes 3 to 4 times in winter and in summer. The changes in shadow during winter and summer season. If a boy takes a picture or a photo in the month of December, at the time of sunrise, the shadow of the boy standing on the doorstep of an east-facing house. Here, the shadow shifts towards his left in December. The direction of sunrise is a little south of east. If the boy takes a picture or a photo at the time of sunrise on a day in the month of May 15th, the shadow of the body is formed right behind him. The direction of sunrise is very close to the east. Changing milk into curd. Making curd is our common experience. Curd is prepared in almost every house. Generally, curd is prepared by adding a very small quantity of curd to the bowl containing warm milk. The milk is stirred well. Then, the bowl should be covered by a lid and kept still and undisturbed for few hours to get curd. Adding sample curd to the milk helps to grow some kind of bacteria in it and enable conversion of milk into curd. Conditions for making curd. Take 3 bowls. In bowl 1, take ice cold milk. In bowl 2 and 3, take warm milk. Add some quantity of curd to bowl 1 and 2. After some time, we observe that in bowl 1, having cold milk does not change anymore. The bowl 2, having warm milk, is converted into curd. In bowl 3, having warm milk does not change because curd is not added here. Comparison. The change of milk to curd with change of season. The change of season is slow when compared to change of milk to curd. When compared to change in electric bulb being put on or off, the change of milk to curd is a slow change. The change of milk to curd is a fast change when compared with change of season. Similarly, the change of milk into curd needs some initiation and intervention from human beings, but the change of seasons take place naturally. Seasonal changes are temporary and continuous, but the change of milk to curd is permanent because we cannot get back milk from curd. The comparison shows that it is possible to